In this video, I will tell you a brief comparison between Apple Pay versus Samsung Pay, and now we're gonna do a comparison with them. So let's get started with it. So the features are listed on the left side, and in the middle, we're gonna discuss Apple Pay, and on the right we have Samsung. So let's start with the digital wallet name. So Apple have an Apple Wallet, and Samsung has a Samsung Wallet. So now we talk about the device compatibility. So Pay is compatible with iPhone, Apple Watch, Mac, and iPad, and Samsung Pay is compatible with Samsung devices, including Samsung Galaxy. So availability, where it be used? Wherever the Apple Pay contactless symbol is displayed, wherever the Samsung Pay contactless symbol is displayed. Does the digital wallet store membership, loyalty, and reward cards? Yes, they do. For both of them. How many people are use Apple Pay, Samsung Pay in the UK? 66% use it for the POS and 41% use it for the online basis for the Apple, and for the Samsung only 10% use it for the POS and 0% use it for online transactions. And for security wise, Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode for the access, tokenization for extra layer of security, and then data encryption. So at the Samsung end, transaction covered by bank fraud protection, authentication by PIN or biometric, tokenization for extra layer of security, and then compatible with the voice card. Yes, they are compatible with the voice card. Cost, there is no cost, no fee from Apple and no fee from the Samsung as well. So this is the review for today. I hope you found this really helpful.